Yes, I do. I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard, the days just seem so dark. The moon, the stars are nothing without you. Your touch, your skin, where do I begin? No words can explain the way I'm missing you. The night, this emptiness, this hole that I'm inside, these tears, they tell their own story. You told me not to cry when you were gone, but this feeling so overwhelming is much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you? And make sure you're right. I'll take care of you. I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight.